Okay. Hi. So, I'm with my friend, and we're playing volleyball. So, let's go. So, what are we building? What are we building? Okay, so we're building a house. Okay. So, can you? Okay. Can you? Girl. Put. Girl, I don't really get what she means. Okay. I'm gonna put the starter blocks first. And then I'll do these, and then these. Okay, let's just put all of them down. Okay. And then she's just gonna do that. I just think she just wants some like this. I have a lot. So okay, so let's do this. I'm worried this might be long, but okay, I'm gonna just do it really bad. This usually takes a long time because one time, on her old account, and we built a maze, but it literally took like a whole hour to do that, and then yeah, and we were gonna like so but she had like enough blocks. Does this count as a block? You know what? Oh. Okay. Whatever. I don't really use that anyway. But oh, I think it's still there. Okay. I can't really place anything. This is gonna take a long time. I don't think I'm gonna add all of this because it's gonna be really fast on this because this I have a lot of these. Okay, I'm done. That is not a house. Okay. This is all the blocks I have. Okay, so I think she wants me to sit. Do you have chests? Yeah, I do. Let me go Why does she want chess? I swear. What is she doing? Girl, why does she want them everywhere? I think I know what she's doing, but oh my god. Oh my god, I feel like I did that. Girl, what are you doing? That's nice though. Wait, let me add something. Okay. No engine. Oh, the engine's there. Girl is not answering. Should we? Why do you want? Why does she want everything there? Can we go now? I have no idea what she's doing. Okay. I don't know why my legs are so big. I built. It's like all of our friends are here. Like, this is... Can I have one next to her? Okay. Okay. OMG, oh. Girl. Wait, what? Girl. Oh my god. Look over there. What? Girl, what was that? Girl. My fans are... Okay. She's Okay. I just thought my microphone wasn't on because I would be stupid. Oh my god. Wait, why is that actually kind of smart? Wait, can she? Oh yeah, she can. Yeah. Girl. She just moved. The luck. Duh. She should keep on. She's an actress. Whoa. Oh. Oh my god. You're sacrificing us. Oh my god, okay. Okay. Owie. I feel like our seats are about to come off. I mind. Whoa. This is smart. And by the way, this is my friend in real life. It's not a online friend, but she isn't from my school. Maybe I just did. I like this one because it literally just colors your I haven't played this in a long time. We're gonna be bald. Bald dishes. Oh my god. Baldicus. All in his dandy. Let me put a flower. Yeah, we eating. I know. I know, right? Wait, we're almost there. Jinx. Personal. I never saw this one. More like, girl. I know she's gonna see this. Issue Jinx. Girl. Oh. I'm bald. I'm bald. No, we were almost at the end. Oh my god. Girl. Okay. I'm so stan. Oh my god. No, that song. Oh. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, we're going. Bye.